Hello Bladers. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Top 5 Best American Performance and Muscle Cars from the 1990s. Number 1, Chevrolet 454. After spending about 2 decades for all the safety and environmental laws regarding motor vehicles regarding engines, which have low compression and slow performances, car manufacturers were finally able to produce new car models faster compared to before. Number 2, 1995 Ford Mustang Cobra R. In 1995, they presented another Cobra R motor vehicle, and this time, they produced only 250 of them. They actually focused on selling these vehicles to professional racers or drivers with racing license or any private race teams. Number 3, Chevrolet Camaro Z/28. The Chevrolet Camaro made a comeback and returned in 1993 with a new name as the Z/28. Chevrolet has made sure that they have improved and modified the F-body platform, but still being able to retain the live rear axle setup. Number 4, Ford F-150 Lightning. During the year of the 60s, there was a high benchmark for American performance, which is not only based on horsepower and torque ratings of a vehicle. Number 5, Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. The fourth generation of the GM F-body platform debuted in 1993 with the brand new Camaro and Firebird. The new model brought much-needed modernization to the Firebird range, as well as improvements in power, equipment, handling and braking. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.